On the one we just completed, the Greyhound Dollars table, the last feature I forgot to show you was to actually take our logo that we created in the beginning and drag it to the top left corner of the table. And then it's behind it, so you have to choose bring to front, and then you can save and submit. Sorry about that. All right, our next one is the calendar. So choose File, New, go to Built-in, and click Calendar. And the calendar type we're looking for is Varsity. And the color scheme is Equity, but again, if you'd like to choose a color choice of your own, go ahead. And the font scheme is Saltus. And then make sure you choose for the business information is HCRS, which has all your business information in it. And also change the paper size to landscape. And then make sure also that it's 1 month per page, and then we're going to set calendar dates. So the calendar dates. The book has it starting at August 2017 until May 2018. So I'll just go with the same months, but keep it 2020 and go to May 2021. If you want to pick a current month we're in now, that's fine. And then to an end date, whatever you decide is fine. They're going with at least 10 calendar months, so that we'll have on the printout. So whatever you decide, go ahead and click OK. If you wanted to go to August, that's fine too, so you have the full year. That's fine. And then click OK and create. And what happens if you look over on the left-hand side in the page navigation, you will have all of your months. So you have August, September, October, and if you scroll all the way down, it'll go to the following year, all the way to August. So you have the individuals months per page. Next, what we're going to do is create a master page, which is similar to a header or footer in Word. So click the View tab and then choose Master Page. And it comes in a yellow background just to let you know that you're in the master page area or the header footer area. So that just lets you know that you're not actually working on the document itself, the calendar. What you'll do now is click the Insert tab and then choose Shapes, select Rectangle, and you're going to make it the full size of the inside part of the desktop. So it's within the margins. And then what you'll do, within the rectangle shape, right-click and choose Format Auto Shape, and then for the fill color, you'll click the down arrow and choose No Fill. That way you can see through to your calendar. Next, you'll click Border Art, and they have different types of borders that you can choose from, and you can choose any border that you like, but I just want to show you according to the book which one they have you pick. But again, you can pick anything. You do not have to pick what I'm going to pick, but in the book it's Push Pin in Note 2. So there it is. That's what they want. But you can pick anything you'd like. And then make sure you have checked off here Stretch Picture to Fit. And then click OK. Over in the preview section, you get a little preview of what your border that you chose looks like. Next, you'll go into the line color so that the line is a different color. If you have pictures of a border, then you don't have to do this part. But for the line color, they want accent 2. And then they want the width of the line 30 points. So it's up to you what you want to experiment with, which is fine. And then you'll click OK. And there you have it. So the next thing we need to do, and again, just to remind you, we are right now in the master page area, which is like a header footer. So what we're going to do is click Insert and go to Page Parts and you should have your logo. Go ahead and choose Harris College, and you're going to drag that to the bottom left corner. Whoops, I did that again. Make sure it's just the logo. And just drag the logo, not the whole thing, in the bottom left corner. So we are all set on the master page, meaning we have a border that will be on all of the calendar pages and the logo in the bottom left corner. So now we can click the master page and then click close. And you'll notice you have the push pin button or whatever border you chose and your logo in the bottom left corner, and that's on, if you were to notice, it's on every single page of your calendar. Next, what we'll do is decorate our first month. So go ahead to Insert and Pictures, and hopefully you've saved these on your computer. And I'll go to where my pictures are, and I'm going to select all of them except the ID card. So I'll click my first one and Shift, so I selected all of them, and then Insert, and they should all go into the scratch area. I'm going to close out of this extra content. And then remember to swap a picture. If you select it, you have the middle button to swap out, and I'm going to put it in place of the flowers in front of the door. So I'm going to hover and drag into the place, and it automatically replaces it, and I'll delete this one. I won't need it anymore. And then if you were to look in the book, they have this on August 26th, but you can put them anywhere. And you may have to resize them because we're using different years and months than the book had. So you can put it anywhere you want. Maybe that's the week of the mascot will be. Maybe make it a little smaller and then put it into a calendar date. Doesn't matter what you decide to do. And if you move it just so small, just gently use your arrows. I'm going to make this one a lot smaller first before I move it. And again, 4 arrows and drag it into any calendar month you want. It's still a little too big. There you go. If you wanted to add more, you could. So I'm going to click the second calendar, and they wanted you in the book to change all of the pictures, but I'm just going to click, drag this one out here, and then go, well, actually I won't do that. I'll go right to right click, change picture, do it right from here. Change picture. Oh goodness, I'm thinking something warm, right? The beach. Not really school-like, but that's okay. And it places it in there. So if you wanted to do 1 or 2, you could. So I'm into the third calendar. Right click, change picture. Change picture. What category? How about flowers? And that's good. You don't have to do any more. A couple's fine. So save this as Harris College Calendar and submit. Thank you.